Lightworkers are special individuals who bring hope, love, and understanding to the world. They feel a strong purpose that goes beyond everyday life. They believe that Earth is just a short stop on their bigger journey, and their true home is a place of endless love and wisdom beyond our world. They often feel a calling towards spiritual or healing professions. Feeling different from others, they face challenges that push them to discover their own unique path in life. Here are 7 signs that you are a light worker. You feel like you're an outsider. This isn't just about being unique. It's a deeper feeling of not really fitting in with what most people are doing or wanting. While many are focused on buying things, having fun for the moment, or just getting ahead, light workers often want something deeper. It's like they're circles trying to fit into square spaces. They don't always get the usual things that people go for. Instead, they're more into things like meditation, spending time in nature, or making art. A lot of times, light workers might feel like they're on the sidelines, watching the world, but not really being in the middle of it. This doesn't mean they feel rejected, but they choose to stay true to who they are. They might find peace in quiet activities that help them think and feel connected. But feeling like you're a bit of an outsider can also be a good thing. It gives lightworkers a chance to see things from a different angle. This helps them share new ideas and ways to help others. Not going along with the crowd means they're free to discover new things. So if you're a light worker and sometimes feel like you don't quite fit in, that's okay. It's a part of who you are. Even if you feel a bit different, your unique view is really important. You're here to show there's another way to live, one that's deeper and connects with the bigger picture. Your soul is magnetically drawn to spirituality. From the time you can remember, you've always been curious about more than just the world around you. You've wanted to understand life on a deeper level. For you, being spiritual isn't just a trend or a strict belief system. It's about feeling connected to everything, from the stars in the sky to the people around you. It's knowing that we're all small parts of a big picture, but each of us matters. You often think deeply about why humans are here and how everything in the universe is connected. This isn't just a hobby for you, it's how you see life. You believe that life is more than just living day to day. Every hard time teaches you something, and every happy moment is a gift. It's about facing your problems, healing from the past, and finding real happiness and love. Even as you go about your daily life, you know you're more than just a body. You feel like a soul having a human experience. This doesn't make you feel distant from others. It actually makes you feel closer to everything and everyone. In everything you do, you're reminded of a special truth. You're a spiritual being on a human journey, and through your journey, you touch many lives. You are drawn to something greater than yourself. Deep down, there's this feeling that you're meant to do something big. Even if you can't put it into words, you can feel it. It's not just a passing thought or a daydream, but a deep belief inside of you. Have you ever spent nights thinking about life, the universe, and your role in it? Or been drawn to books or talks that explore these big questions? This search for meaning is a big deal for you. It might even feel like you can't help but search for answers. This push from the universe is its way of waking up lightworkers. It's more than just realizing what you're here to do. It's about really understanding and acting on it. It's not enough to just go with the flow. You need to take charge of where you're going. When you work together with the universe, things just click into place. Things that seemed hard become easy, and it feels like anything is possible. This isn't about just getting things or reaching goals. It's about connecting with the powerful energy inside you. You embrace the shadows and light. Life is full of ups and downs. Think of it like a painting where both dark and light colors add depth to the picture. There might have been times when you felt lost or overwhelmed. These weren't just sad times, they were deep struggles within yourself. Yet remember, during the darkest nights, stars shine the brightest. Whatever challenges you faced, whether past hurts or difficult relationships, you didn't just get through them, you grew from them. Facing these tough times can feel like being in a wild storm, but once it's over, you come out stronger and more in tune with your true self. While many picture spiritual growth as peaceful and easy, it's more complex than that. True growth comes from facing life's challenges head-on and learning from every experience, good or bad. These tough times aren't just obstacles, they help us become better versions of ourselves. The journey to understanding ourselves isn't always smooth. It has its rough patches, but those tough times teach us important lessons, like never giving up and loving deeply. Choosing a challenging path isn't simple. Instead of looking for easy ways out or distractions, you face challenges directly. This isn't because you enjoy suffering, but because you recognize how these experiences help you grow. In life's journey, every step, whether in joy or hardship, shows your bravery and spirit. You don't just watch life happen, you actively engage with it, turning every tough situation into a chance to shine even brighter. You have a comforting presence. In a world full of noise and unrest, there are people who bring calmness just by being around. These special souls, often called lightworkers, have a comforting presence, like a quiet pond on a calm day. They shine with a calming energy that attracts others, much like a gentle light draws moths. What's special about lightworkers is their ability to heal. They don't always need words. Just being with them can uplift someone's spirit. People feel at peace around them. These lightworkers might be spiritual guides, healers, therapists, or anyone who can lighten someone's emotional load and show them a path to inner peace. However, there's a challenge. Lightworkers, because of their deep sensitivity, can feel overwhelmed by the emotions they sense from others. It's like a sponge that soaks up water. It can only hold so much before it's full. This is why lightworkers must learn to set limits. Taking time to rest and recharge isn't being distant. It's necessary self-care. Think of a candle. It can't light up forever without new wax. In the same way, lightworkers need to renew their energy so they can continue helping others. Think about how people relate to you. Are you a calming force during tough times? Do people come to you for advice or just a listening ear? If this feels familiar, you might be a lightworker. Being a lightworker is a blessing and a duty. It's a chance to spread positivity, understanding, and healing in a world that needs it. If this speaks to your soul, cherish this role. Take care of your gift and use it with love. You feel alone. Life is filled with varied experiences, and amidst it all, there are moments where one feels deeply alone. For those who are spiritually attuned, this solitude isn't just a passing phase, but a significant part of their path. Lightworkers, deeply connected to the world's essence, often feel a duality. They're deeply in sync with nature, feeling the rhythms of the planet. But at the same time, they can feel like outsiders, as if viewing life from a different perspective. Have you ever felt slightly out of place, like you're part of a different puzzle? Like you're always searching for where you genuinely belong? This isn't unusual. Many lightworkers feel this way, sensing their path is unique from the beginning. The typical benchmarks of success or the pull of power don't attract lightworkers. They aren't driven by society's usual goals because their journey points in a different direction. The race for recognition or material success doesn't captivate them. Waking up to life's deeper truths can be both freeing and challenging. It's like seeing everything in a new light. But this clarity can also make one feel uncertain, as if navigating unknown territory. Old beliefs, habits, and ambitions might feel less relevant. Often, lightworkers are labeled as dreamers or unrealistic. Their deep ties to the spiritual and their hope for a transcendent world sometimes make them misunderstood. But every misconception or doubt they face only solidifies their true purpose. Being a lightworker might come with its moments of feeling alone and contemplative, but it's not a journey of isolation. It's about self-exploration, finding hope even in dark times, and turning obstacles into opportunities. While it can be solitary at times, it's vital to see solitude as a gift. It gives room to think, evolve, and truly get to know oneself. You feel most at home in nature. It goes beyond just appreciating nature. For you, it's an intimate bond. Animals aren't just other beings, they're soulful companions. Forests, rivers, and mountains aren't just scenery, but places where your soul finds peace. To lightworkers, nature feels like home. While urban life and its relentless pace can be overwhelming, the natural world provides solace and grounding. It's more than a break. It's a reunion. Ever found yourself connecting with plants and treating them with gentle care? Or feeling a deep calm with animals, sensing an unspoken bond? This isn't mere imagination. It's the universe recognizing and celebrating your unique energy. Seeing harm to nature deeply affects you. The destruction of forests, pollution of waters, or harm to animals is not just an event, it deeply wounds your spirit. Motivated by this pain, you advocate for Earth, promoting green living and being a role model. Being in tune with nature, you feel the heartbeat of the Earth. This bond isn't just about the tangible, but reaches spiritual depths. Nature becomes your teacher, offering wisdom and clarity. Amongst trees and streams, answers to life's questions often become clear. If these signs resonated with you or sparked any insights, I'd love to hear from you. Please share this with others who might benefit and drop a comment with your thoughts and reflections. I wish you a beautiful day.